Hello. I've got a quick unboxing for you here of the AncordWorks F4 Premium Bluetooth Speaker. Right now, this is $39.99 on Amazon. Prime shipping, of course, so you're set. The name is really long. It is AncordWorks Premium Bluetooth Speaker with TWS, portable, dustproof, waterproof, outdoor-indoor speaker with quality bass sound, 5000 mAh battery, ensures lengthy playtime for iPhone, iPod, iPad, phones, tablet, Echo Dot. Yeah, that is like the entire thing. Easier if you just click the link here. As you see, there's just a slip cover on top of it. Rather hard to get off. But, nice little, it's a really sturdy box. Nice box. But, anyway here. So here's the speaker. Here, maybe. Only thing is I don't see any instructions in here. Huh. Okay. So no instructions. Alright. There's a speaker. It's heavy. I'll tell you one thing, it is heavy. And there was little feet here, extra feet they give you, it looks like, in case you lose them. The ones on here. We've got a micro USB cable and a standard double-sided 3.5 millimeter jack. And there's a wrist strap, but this is really heavy for a wrist strap. I guess you could use it anyway, right? But nice metal housing I can see on there. We've got buttons on the back here. Now this is IPX7 waterproof, which is pretty good. 4.1 Bluetooth. The TF card jack as well. But here's the little slot here for the wrist strap. Here's this is really big actually, really thick piece of rubber here that protects the micro USB port and the audio jack down there for charging. I don't see a TF slot anywhere. Huh. A direct connection and TF card playing. I don't see a card slot, but okay. That's weird, unless I missed it somewhere. I don't think so. Guess it would have been nice if I had. If I did have the instructions, right? Might have really helped me here. Okay, anyway here, it's 20 watt speakers there, and we do have a subwoofer here in the back, which I don't know if you can see. There we go, if I can get the angle of the light on it for you. But there it is there. Let's power up here. First power. Looks like there's power. But, I think that's it. Maybe.
Powering on.
Powering on. Did you hear that? Okay, so we are powered on. And, I'm not sure what this is or this is. I guess this is a microphone, maybe? Shut up, Sam, please. Shush. Dog. Anyway, we got volume buttons here. It looks like this is a next button. Again, I'm sorry there are no instructions with this, so I don't know what to tell you about all this stuff here. But it seems like a decent, as in quality-wise speaker, of course. See if I can find anything else quick here. Waterproof, highest protection incursion, 2-inch passive subwoofers, 20 watt drivers. Bluetooth, TWS, true stereo system, which is what it is here. Yeah, the description does say about TF cards, but I don't see a slot anywhere. I guess I'm missing it. That's about it. Let me play with this, make sure I can get it to work right. And then I'll have the link for the review up for you later. But that's about it. Thanks.